Hi everyone who is watching this video. Today we will visit Grandsperone beach. The location of this beach is the southern part of Corsica. We will see how to get there. Also, we'll do some drone shots as well. We can see what to expect during the journey and also the under the water shots. First of all, you have to get to this restaurant, which is the only restaurant on Piantarella, Petit-Sperone, Grandsperone beaches. And then we have to climb these small little cliffs, and after we have to get to Bonifacio windsurfing, and then we have to go all along this Piantarella beach. It is pretty much the same road as the road to Petit-Sperone. About it we discussed in previous videos about Corsica. Along Piantarella beach there are some houses, and this is the pipe which goes straight to the sea. Probably people from the nearest houses are shooting there straight to the sea. I think it's a huge shame, and shouldn't be like that.
These kind of things you can find on Corsica beaches. This is jellyfish, I don't know the name, but it's quite big and it looks like that it's dead.
Sometimes Piantarella looks very pretty, and more about Piantarella you can watch in our previous videos. So, as I mentioned before, we are going to Grandsperone beach, and we have to go all along this way, direction to Petit-Sperone beach, and now we're getting closer to Petit-Sperone. So now we're approaching Petit-Sperone, and we have to move down by these stairs. You have to be careful. As I mentioned before in previous videos, this beach is very pretty, calm water, and not so deep. It's shallow. With the kids is perfect. And now we are on the other end of Petit-Sperone beach, and now we have to climb by very steep stairs carved into the rock. So now let's continue our journey.
From our camping it takes around 40 minutes to get to that beach, but there are not so many people, and the most of the way is like in shadow, as you see.
If you have reached this point, you are on the right way, and follow directions which is you see on the stones.
This is the golf fields.
Let's go back to shadow.
Our 5th day in Corsica, and we will visit another beach today. I think it's Grandsperone. It's much bigger than Petit-Sperone. Petit means small and Grand means big. We'll see.
As I said, most of the way to Grandsperone is in the shadow, so basically it helps to feel more comfortable during the summertime, during the hot weather.
Okay, now we have way there and another way there, but here's no direction. Okay, that means we're going here. Okay.
Looks like this is the final part of our journey to Grandsperone, and we're approaching it. This place is a little bit windy, but it doesn't affect our mood and our plans. And here we are. I don't want to cover this part of the video with the music. I just want you to listen natural sounds of nature, to let you feel it as it was.
Сильно просто. И людей вообще почти нету здесь. У меня тоже телефон снимает. Бля.
This part of the video is well not covered with the music, just to let you to enjoy natural nature sounds. And now you see, guys, a bit different picture from the same beach, Grandsperone, but it's different day. It's our last day of our holidays in Corsica. The weather windy, the sea stormy sea, strong winds, strong waves. But anyway, it was really cool to swim such stormy sea. Of course, you cannot relax, and you have to take care when you're swimming in such waves. We are almost done with this video. Don't forget to like it, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And now just continue watching until the end. Just pretend that you're on the sea and you're enjoying the views and you're enjoying the sounds of the sea. And see you next time, and thank you for watching.